that reaction force.
I got to get approval from headquarters.
What the fuck was that?
That was a grenade. HQ, my guys are being eaten alive.
Deploy the helicopter.
Yeah, here we go.
Time to fuck
Hang
it
on.
Got one guy.
This is fucking badass.
We're on our way.
I want to look behind, see how much they get bounced around.
They're going to get bounced. You'll feel it up. I'm gonna land on the other side of the sand mound. I'm coming, Robert.
Bring up the crossing. They're crossing the over.
Gotta hear this thing coming too.
Where they at, Robert?
Alright, just on the rescue our guy.
Go ahead, shoot him, Matt.
Check it out.
No, you gotta get out there. Here, I'm gonna get it. When I get out of the bridge, go that way.
That one.
Yeah, like quickly, because they're gonna be right on you. Use the door for a shield. Here, I got his.
gun in here.
Hold on, wait till I get on the bridge.
Alright, I got the door open. Alright.
Go, we gotta stay between the pin. Go, 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 go! Can you hear me, Matt? Action force has been deployed. Helicopter's turning around. What do you got going on, Robert? Matt! Go! Stay on the bridge! You gotta go, no, that side!
Recover your team.
I need my quick reaction force back in, sorry. Load back up, come on, we gotta go to the Alamo.
Pull your team back, you're getting killed.
Where do I gotta take them back to? Back to the village?
Back to the bridge, back to the village. QRF has to retreat.
Come on, guys! I need all three of my guys. No, you're not. Tell him to hang on that gun so it doesn't bounce around. The minigun. If he doesn't hold on to it, it's going to bounce when I go drive back. So I'm just hang on to it. I'm loaded up. I got the team loaded.
Back to the village.
I'm working on it. Yeah, you got all the running today, man.
Hell yeah.
It's your first time out here?
Yeah. Came over with John.
Having fun?
Definitely. Fuck yeah. I'll be back.
Does
Good
Green
time.
Team move to respond to the Alamo?
No, you cannot leave your base. Helicopters back to the base.
That fucking minigun is awesome.
I wasn't able to understand
It's
your
hard
last.
to
Can
get
we
the
move?
rating. Kinda. I got hit.
You are not.
I didn't even get a chance to get shot.
Was it awesome?
Oh, it's fucking sweet. Oh my god.
Was it? Were you blasting them?
Oh, I was shooting.
Did you see anybody?
Oh yeah, I saw people.
Just,
It's hard. You get any hits?
it's hard to see because the BBs go all over
They
the.
go all over the place, and you only have. So there's limited time to shoot. It's fucking sweet though.
Yeah.
They have special grenades and such. They threw one of us out, or they threw one of them at us, but it was way far away. It was like on the Sand Mountain corridor.
Can we deploy Alamo? How are you doing? I may have lost Alamo.
I'm under fire. What do you think?
Headquarters, can I deploy someone to the Alamo? Headquarters, can I deploy a team to the Alamo? Okay.
Team to move out. Let me know when you're ready.
Up around or over through.
Where's he going?
I mean, we could probably hit them from behind if we go. Yeah, you know the way up there though.
Yes.
I mean, they're
Yes.
between.
All right. I want you guys. I'm gonna send men on foot up the goat path. Is that all right, headquarters?
Say again?
Can I send a team on foot up the goat path? Come on, headquarters.
Roger that. Release the quick reaction force.
You want to go with this one? Yeah. All right.
I'll follow the way. I don't know.
All five of you, but you got to leave my gun here because I'm in it. You want to go with them? Hustle it up. Remember, you can't go past the Alamo. When you're done, you got to come back.
Green Team will be able to get there a lot faster. Do you want us to go and reinforce them?
You're not allowed to go. Stay where you are. Don't shoot my quick reaction forces as they go by you.
Repeat last.
My quick reaction force is going to be going by you guys. Do not shoot them.
Yep, we got that.
Bridge, how many casualties did you suffer?
One, but he's medic.
Perfect.
That force is over on blue team. They gain 1 point. 2-2.
Do I have to pull back my quick reaction force?
That's up to you.
What can I do with them? Because I can send them still to the Alamo.
They have to go to the Alamo first before they can be withdrawn.
I got you. You hear that, Matt?
Copy.
Green, are you at full strength?
Let me know when your quick reaction force arrives at blue.
Green, how many people are in your station?
Blue is in sight. We're not there. We have enemies between us and the site.
Engage, Matt. Engage. Engage, Matt.
Can we move to the sand mound?
You can go on either side of the bridge, but you got to stay like right near it. So the answer is yes, you can go on the other side, but you can't go over the sand mound.
Is your QRF at Blue Station yet?
Matt, where are you?
We are just outside of the Alamo.
Just about. They're just about to blue.
How many medics until someone's out? One. So if they get hit again, they're dead. What do they do?
They come back to the medical tent at the village.
Roger that. Thank you.
There's a big medic flag on it. If they do, they have to beat on our prisoner a little bit when they're in there.
Oh no.
Are you guys in yet, Matt?
I'm inside the Alamo. The rest of us are standing by just outside.
We have retaken the Alamo headquarters. Now what?
Your quick reaction force is down at the Alamo.
Roger.
They are now the Blue Squad. They are now the Blue Squad reassigned quick reaction force.
What happened to all my dead people?
Stations break.
Where are all the people that have been shot?
All stations break. Come off the field. All stations break. Come off